Do you want to record Instagram Reels that are longer than 15 or 30 seconds and share them with your friends? Then this video is for you. Firstly, you want to open your App Store if you are on iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are an Android user, and just search for Instagram. We have to make sure that our Instagram application is updated to the latest version. If you don't have the latest version of Instagram on your device, just make sure to update the app in order to get all of the latest features and functions, including the ability to record longer Instagram Reels. After you update this, you can open the app on your device and we can start recording our Instagram Reel. We will first open our Instagram camera and select the Reel option at the bottom. There is one single button that we need to find in order to record longer Reels. Tap on this little arrow button at the left side of your screen and a couple more buttons will appear. You want to tap on the Length button and a couple of different length options will appear. Yours was probably set to 15 or 30 seconds, but you can select to record your Reels for 60 or 90 seconds. So I'll select the 90-second option and I can just start recording my Reels. They will be a lot longer than they were in the past. And that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more similar tutorials like this one, and I will see you soon.